Welcome back, makers of magic. Today we are diving deep into a funny and artistic journey into building simple wooden headphone stands and holders that are highly profitable, incredibly beginner-friendly, and absolute conversation starters, even if your woodworking experience currently consists of accidentally gluing your fingers together instead of actual wood. Turning wood into style. As the world of digital music and gaming grows, one thing remains constant. Everyone needs a place to rest their precious headphones, whether they cost $20 or $400, and today we're going to transform pieces of solid wood into headphone stands so beautiful that people will insist the wood is whispering to them. Your hands create value. Imagine taking a leftover piece of wood, something that once sat behind the garage collecting spiders, and shaping it into a sleek headphone stand that looks like it belongs in a modern Scandinavian art gallery. Your viewers will see a story, not just a product. They'll see how a chunk of wood becomes functional elegance, and the fact that this transformation starts from something so simple instantly makes it a business that beginners can jump into with enthusiasm. Simple equals profitable. You begin by selecting small blocks of solid wood, oak, walnut, maple, pine, or whatever fallen branch your neighbor will let you take without calling security. The goal is simplicity. You're not carving a dragon or sculpting a Greek statue, unless you want to, but the beauty of headphone stands is that they rely on shape rather than complexity. Maybe you cut a curved arch, maybe a vertical upright stand with a small base, maybe a minimalist zigzag form that defies logic yet somehow hypnotizes the buyer into saying, "Yes, I want this." Keep the mistakes. And here's what makes the project funny, most mistakes actually become design features. If your curve is off, suddenly it's organic flow design. If the angle leans slightly, congratulations, it's ergonomic tilt technology. If the base is too wide, it's now anti-tip stability enhancer. That's the hilarious beauty of wooden headphone stands. Even when you think you messed up, it's actually modern art. Find beauty in imperfection. Let's walk through a sample build in the most beginner-friendly way. You start with solid wood, ideally a piece around 10 inches long and 3 inches wide, though if you only have smaller scraps, don't worry, minimalism is trending and the smaller the object, the fancier it becomes. Cut a simple shape using a jigsaw or hand saw. Then sand it, not aggressively, just enough so it doesn't splinter like a rabid porcupine. Smooth it gently and feel victorious because sanding instantly makes you look like a professional. Sanding is transformation. Once you sand it, add small touches. Maybe drill a tiny hole and insert a dowel rod to hang earbuds. Maybe add soft felt on top so someone's expensive gaming headset rests on cushion. Maybe engrave initials on the base. It doesn't matter whose initials, could be your neighbor's, could be yours, could be fake ones like DR, meaning Decor resource. Everything looks premium when initials are engraved. Initials equal identity. Another fun twist, use a blowtorch to char the wood surface, bringing out dramatic contrast. When your viewers see you torching wood, they will react like, "Oh wow, that's high-level craftsmanship," even though you're literally burning things. Creativity often disguises itself as chaos. The char finish unlocks rich textures that commercial products cannot replicate. Then apply a coat of oil. Walnut oil, Danish oil, even kitchen olive oil when you're desperate. Wood glows like morning sunlight on polished marble.
Texture creates emotion. Now here's the golden business secret. Headphone stands are not only functional, they're emotional purchases. People don't buy them because they need them, they buy them because it represents organization, personalization and modern lifestyle. They buy because it upgrades the desk. They buy because their headphones are tired of sleeping on the table like abandoned pets. Purpose becomes profit. That's why your wooden stand can easily sell for $25 to $60. and premium woods like walnut or reclaimed oak can hit $120 plus. And the funniest part, the cost to make one could be $3 to $7. That profit margin makes your bank account smile like a carved wooden emoji. Small wood, big return. Picture viewers building a stand featuring a funny face. Give the top a carved smile. Add googly eyes. Make the headphones rest on its head, like a wig. Suddenly it's no longer a headphone stand, it's a wooden roommate. A silent companion. A decor buddy. This adds emotional value, and emotional value equals profitable value. Personality generates sales. Now imagine you take leftover tiny wood scraps and glue them together for texture. Call it art mosaic structure. Viewers will cheer because suddenly simple scraps become collectible decor pieces. If you want to upgrade the humor, brand your series. Wood without drama. Headphone homes for homeless headsets. Branding becomes uniqueness. Another twist. Paint half the stand neon yellow, half the stand natural wood. A perfect metaphor for modern contrast. If alignment is crooked, congratulations again, it's abstract style. The crooked angle is now ergonomic access placement. Imperfection inspires style. Show viewers how to attach felt pads to the base so that the stand slides across a desk like smooth velvet rather than scratching the furniture like a distressed squirrel. Then add optional side hooks. Earbuds suddenly become citizens of organization. Small attachments, big benefits. Beginner friendliness comes naturally because the project requires small saw, sandpaper, glow, creativity, willingness to smile when you mess up. No expensive machinery. No complex joinery. No drama. Beginners become makers. For your automation-friendly video style, record everything overhead. Show the cut. Show sanding. Zoom in dramatically. Add funny captions like, "Trying not to ruin it," or, "I meant to do that." AI voice reads smoothly. You never show your face. Just hands and wood. Faceless content still connects. Then reveal the finished piece on a clean white or black background. Rotate slowly like it's a luxury car commercial. Add jazz music if you want sophistication, or kazoo sounds if you want chaos. Presentation creates value. Now add storytelling. Say things like, "This wood once held nails. Today it holds headphones. To others it was scrap. To us it's stylish furniture. Wood never complains, it just improves." That emotional twist sells. Pause 5 seconds, inspire idea. Wood remembers creativity. And then encourage buyers. Your workspace deserves upgrading. Your headphones deserve dignity, no more floor living. Pause 5 seconds, inspire idea. Humor transforms marketing. By now, we have transformed a simple beginner-friendly wooden block into a highly profitable piece of desk decor. This is how small wood becomes big business. Simplicity becomes legacy. And that is the funny, artistic, and beginner-easy way to create wooden headphone stands that sell extremely well, make customers laugh, make your workspace more stylish, and possibly turn sawdust into the most profitable powder you've ever swept away. So the next time someone throws away scrap wood, walk up proudly, hold your head high, and declare, "That's not trash, that's a headphone mansion waiting to happen." Creativity never wastes wood. Go build something beautiful, something funny, something profitable, and remember, even if your first one looks weird, someone somewhere will call it modern sculpture. Because in woodwork, imperfections are personality. And personality is priceless. Don't forget like, sh, or subscribe. Thank you.